So, I said this, I had to get rid of my, and the reason why I had to get rid of Cash is because he was being attacked. And as you guys know, I'm going through a little bit of warfare, right? And so I had to think about his safety and his health, right? And I had to think about my peace and what I needed, for myself. Yes, my kids were upset. And yes, we love him and we miss him. But like I'm telling them, like it was stunting my growth. Just not how can I put it? I just had to get on with it. So I did what I did because it needed to be done. Shoot, that's the explanation. It needed to be done. My peace was being dragged through the doggone mud. And my sleep is still being attacked. But it was worse because I had my dog, and sometimes he wasn't sleeping either. Sometimes he wasn't eating as well. And like when people would come over, he would use the bathroom on them. It was just a terrible, terrible thing that was going on. It wasn't joyful like the beginning when I first got him, And so I did not want to harm him. I didn't want the theys to harm him either. So I did what I had to do as a pet parent. So this video is to, shout out Cash and to let him know, let his spirit know that I still love him. And I hope that he gets a proper home that is not going to, harm him, that's going to fulfill him. Because even though he's a dog, it's still not fair for him to go through the things that he's going through. So, yeah. Shout out to Cash. And I love you. And I love you, and you. And you guys also should love yourself so that you can give love back. Yeah, it was a lot going on. So I had to think about him. So you guys, keep me in your prayers. It's a lot, it's a lot going on. And just, continue to move on with your life, because that's what I'm trying to do. I send you lots and lots of love and positivity. Send me the same back. And, yeah. Oh, and one more thing. I wasn't being selfish with this, because as the matriarch of my family, I have to be at peace, and I have to be able to, live and do what I'm supposed to do, and my life won't go on just like my puppy dog. His life won't go on, and he's going to grow to be a good dog and have everything that he needs, and but I'm not going to lie, my heart is broken, but I'm still moving. If you guys would like to send your love or anything, you can email me at loveliftedme at gmail.com. If you guys want to send a blessing, a donation, or anything, you can hit up my Cash App at capital L Love, capital L Lifted, capital M Me, and I'll put the link in the whatchamacallit. You'll see it. All right, I love you guys. Take care. And remember, no weapon formed against you shall prosper.
Walk sign is on.
All right, take care.
Walk sign is on.
You'll see it. All right, I love you guys. Take care. And remember, no weapon formed against you shall prosper.
Walk sign is on.
All right, take care.
Walk sign is on.